Today we're going to go over how to share a file from your Google Drives. In this middle, you'll see all of the files that you currently have imported in. So what you're going to want to do is select on the one that you would like to share. And you'll notice at the top all of these have changed and there's a bunch of icons. You're going to want to click on the person with the plus sign, and then this pop-up will show up in the middle of your screen. Right here, you will see all the people that have access, including other people that you may have sent it to previously. At the top, in this little bar, you're going to want to type in the email of the person you'd like to share. Their account will come up just underneath it, and you will click on that one and add it to the people with access. Near the bottom, you'll see restricted, and you can change that depending on your preference or how you want the share to go. In the top right-hand side, there's a settings button, and you can change those depending on your preference as well. When you're finished with that, make sure you have the right people selected and the right people will have access, and then you'll go underneath and click Done or Share. And that's just how you do it. Make sure to follow up with another email, maybe adding a subject or explaining what you just sent them, rather than just some random file with no subject at all. And that's exactly how you do it. Thank you for watching, and if you found that helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.